Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you English class, and our today's topic is rhymes from page number 4 and 6. Okay, that means today we will learn 2 rhymes, and the rhymes should be done orally. Okay, that means we don't have to write these rhymes. So students, please look at the board. There are 2 rhymes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, and 1, 2, buckle my shoes. So at first we will learn the rhymes Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So let's start the rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. This is our rhyme's name. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Students, I am repeating. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. I am repeating. Students, our today's topic is rhymes. So our first rhyme is Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, students, you don't need to write these rhymes. Okay, you have to learn it orally. Okay. Now the second rhymes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. So this is the rhymes title, that 1, 2, buckle my shoes. So now let's start the rhymes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, once again students, I am repeating this rhyme's title, that 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So that means students, today we have learned 2 rhymes from page number 4 and 6. The first one is Twinkle, twinkle, little star, and the second one is 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Okay students, you have to learn both rhymes properly. Okay, and no need to write these rhymes. Okay, you have to learn this orally. Okay. Okay students, stay safe, take care, Allah Hafiz.